For setting up your pin indexing systems, you have the exit pin, entry pin, and the container available /count sensor. For setting your exit pin, you want your container directly under your fill head. You want your entry pin directly between the container under the fill head and the following bottle. You do not want them touching the bottle, just in between. Then to set your ASU, go into your Setup, ASU, select Clear/Reset ASU, and then select Start ASU Indexing. It will count at the time coming from the entry pin to the exit pin. Then save. With fill head's master switch off, you may now run cycles to verify using the Fill Cycle button. Now your ASU is complete.